Hello and welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm excited to unbox, set up and review the ANCwear 107 large screen smartwatch. This feature-packed device is designed to enhance your daily life and keep you connected. Let's dive in and explore its capabilities. Inside the box you'll find the essentials. The stylish ANCwear 107 smartwatch, USB cable for convenient charging, a comfortable silicone strap, and a user manual to guide you through setup and usage. The ANCwear 107 boasts a generous 1.83 inches touchscreen, providing a large and user-friendly display for easy navigation and reading. It's a delight to interact with. The soft and comfortable silicone straps make wearing the ANCwear 107 a pleasure. They feel great on the wrist, ensuring a comfortable fit throughout the day. With an IP68 waterproof rating, this smartwatch is ready to accompany you on your limited water activities. You can wear it without worry whether you're under rain or washing your hands. Charging the ANCwear 107 is a breeze. Simply attach one end of the USB cable to the back of the watch and the other end into a USB charger. In just 2 hours of charging, you'll get an impressive 15 days of use. To power on the smartwatch, locate the single button on the right side and press and hold it. The first thing you'll see is the current time, which automatically syncs with your phone's date and time once connected to the Fit app. To customize your watch face, simply tap and hold the middle of the screen. Swipe left or right to browse through the available designs, and tap on your favorite one to set it as your watch face. From the main screen, you can swipe up, down, left or right to access various features and functions. Swiping up reveals the menu of features. The activity feature displays your daily data such as steps, distance and calories burned. To return to the menu, press the right button. Next, you'll find sleep statistics, allowing you to monitor your sleep patterns for better insights into your rest. With the ANCwear 107, you can also monitor your heart rate, blood pressure and oxygen level, keeping track of your health and well-being. In the sports mode, you'll find a range of activities to choose from, including walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, and more. There are 120 activities available in total. During an activity, the ANCwear 107 tracks your steps, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. To stop the activity, simply press the button and then select stop. Stay informed with the weather information feature. Just set your current location on the Fit app and you'll have the latest weather updates at a glance. Receive notifications from your phone and social media apps directly on your wrist through the messages feature. Simply enable this feature in the app to stay connected on the go. Capture the perfect shot using your smartwatch with the camera feature. It lets you trigger the shutter on your phone remotely, making group photos and selfies a breeze. The ANC-107 also offers additional features like setting alarms, using the relax feature, controlling the music player on your phone, and even playing games. It's a versatile companion for your daily activities. Swipe down from the home screen to access additional settings. You can enable Do Not Disturb mode or adjust the screen brightness to suit your preference. To fully customize your experience, explore the settings menu. You can adjust the display settings, enable or disable vibration, and activate the low power mode to extend battery life. Under the system settings, you have the option to restart, power off, or reset your smartwatch as needed. Swipe left from the home screen to access shortcuts to your preferred features. You can customize these shortcuts to provide quick access to the functions you use most. Through the companion app, you can sync your stats, including step count, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen level, and activity data like outdoor running and walking. Within the app, you can choose from different watch faces to suit your style. You can also explore the face gallery and download new watch faces for further customization. Manage your notifications within the app, selecting which apps can send notifications to your smartwatch. Stay connected and never miss an important message or update. Set alarms, trigger the camera shutter on your phone, and access additional features like time format, unit system, and the handy drink water reminder. Enable the weather feature to get real-time weather information on your smartwatch. Customize the temperature system and select your city for accurate updates. In summary, the ANC-107 smartwatch is a versatile and user-friendly device for your daily use. It offers a wide range of activities, health monitoring features, and customizable options. With its comfortable design and unisex appeal, it's a perfect match for any outfit. After spending some time with the ANC-107 smartwatch, I want to share more personalized insights about its sensors, battery life, durability, and more. While this video provided a first impression, I'm excited to delve deeper in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.